Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare my breakfast. So guys can see I fry plantain and chips, potato chips together. It's already set though. I just want to show you guys that this is my breakfast for today. So, and I'm eating it with Spanish omelette. So this is fried plantain and chips. See the way I cut it. I just cut the chips in julienne size, and I cut the plantain. I slice it in four corner shape, so guys can see. Let's go to my Spanish omelette that I prepared. So can see my Spanish omelette. Can see inside the Spanish omelette I have cut onion and tomato. I didn't put green beans, just 2 things. Then a pinch of stock cube to taste, and small salt. So I will allow it to set before turning it. Don't just put Spanish omelette in the pan and turn it to scatter. Allow it to set before you turn it. So guys can see I've turned it. Turn the other side so that the other side will done. So this is my breakfast for today, and I'll make a coffee and take it, or can take it like that and drink water. So I'm okay. It's not compulsory that I'll take tea or coffee. So this how I do it. See how I fold it. Put it like this, so that the thing will look very yummy. So just a simple video and short video. It's not a hard video. So just buy your plantain or chips. So it's done. Now off the light. Let me turn the plantain on the plate. Wow, so guys can see it. When you do it like this, you can make your sauce, or you can use ketchup to eat it, or you can eat it like this. So it's just a simple menu that I'm showing you guys this morning. It's not a hard something. Spanish omelette is an easy something. Buy your egg, cut your tomato, onion or green pepper, mix them together, and a pinch of stock cube to taste, or salt. Then fry it with fry your plantain or chips. Your breakfast is set. You can even take it for dinner. It's just a light food, and it's not a heavy food that you do your tummy to heavy. So thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and comment. Share it with your loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.